friends, hope you are good. This is our lecture number 35 of unit number 3, that is design of shaft and keys. So let's solve some more numerical on design of propeller shaft. A car axle is connecting differential to the side wheel is required to transmit 30 kilowatt at 1500 rpm. If the maximum torque is 2 times the average torque, the shear stress is 80 Newton per mm square for the axle material. We have to find out the diameter of axle shaft if shaft is solid and if shaft is hollow, okay, with suitable diameter of 1.5 times to the inside diameter. So what they want us to find out? They want us to find out the diameter of axle, okay, for the solid shaft by considering the solid shaft and by considering the hollow shaft. So here is the solution. The given data is power, that is 30 kilowatt converted into the watt only, that is 30 into 10 to the power 3 watt, okay. Then capital N, number of RPM is 1500, tau is given 80 Newton per mm square. Also the T max is given as twice the T average, okay. Then the outer diameter is 1.5 times inside diameter. This is given in condition number 2. The shaft is hollow with outside diameter 1.5 times to the inside diameter. That is it is the ratio of di to the do, okay, which is equal to 1 divided by 1.5. By rearranging these terms, you will get di divided by do equal to 1 by 1.5. If you put this into your calculator, you will get 0.61, 0.64, okay. But here di by do is nothing but the k, okay, the ratio of inside diameter to the outside diameter. So this is the given data. Let's solve the numerical further. As we know that the torque transmitted by the shaft is P equal to 2 pi nt average divided by 60. So put down the all numbers over in this equation, that is 30 into 10 to the power 3 equal to 2 pi 1500 times T average divided by 60. We have to find out the T average first. So the T average is 190.98 Newton meter, okay. This is in meter, but we want T average in Newton mm. So multiply this with 10 to the power 3, okay. So here we got the T average. Now consider the case 1 and case 2. Also we know that the torque transmitted by the propeller shaft is T max equal to 2 times T average. So we have to multiply this T average with this 2, okay, 190 into 2 times 10 to the power 3. So you will get 381.96 into 10 to the power 3 Newton mm, okay. This is the T maximum, that is maximum torque transmitted by this axle. Now consider the case first. The shaft is solid. For the torque transmitted by the axle for solid shaft is given as by the formula T equal to pi by 16 into tau into d raised to 3. Put down the all numbers in this equation, and by solving this you will get d cube equal to this, and d is approximately it is 28.96 or 97 mm. You can take it as approximately 30 mm, okay. So by considering this shaft is solid, you will get the diameter of shaft is 30 mm, okay. But for the second case, we have to consider this shaft is hollow. So for the hollow shaft, the formula is somewhat changed over here, that is T equal to pi by 16 into tau into do raised to 3 in bracket 1 minus k raised to 4, where k is di raised to 4 divided by do raised to 4. Okay, so put down the all given data in this equation. You will get this, and by rearranging this term you will get do raised to 3 equal to, in bracket, 381.96 into 10 to the power 3 into 16 bracket close, divided by, in bracket, 80 into pi into 0.82 bracket close. Okay, be careful over here while solving your this equation, or by putting this equation in your calculators. Don't forget to put down the brackets. Okay, so by calculating this you will get the outside is equal to 31 mm. Okay, so here is your answer. By considering the solid shaft you will get 30 mm outside diameter, and by considering the hollow shaft you will get 31 mm diameter. Okay, both answers are correct. So now we will stop here. Further we will solve more numericals on this topic. Till then, keep practicing.